Okay, welcome back to this video. So you are excited because you've got some animated rolling dice. It's beautiful. Well, you have one animated rolling die, so it's halfway beautiful. What we want to do is be able to roll two dice because that would be better. Now, click on your dude, your whatever that thing is. I don't know what he is. When you click on him, remember that you had this business where it's all smoke and mirrors because basically all you have here is you made a random number to decide what the dice should be set, what you rolled on that dice. Then you went and animated some stuff to like make it look exciting, but really that's you rolling the die. You with me? So if you're going to have two dice, which you want two dice, here's the thing. All you want right in here is to do the same kind of business to another variable. Now we named the first one num1. What I would do if I were you is I would go create another variable named num2 because that would represent the second dice. Now, one other thing, you're going to have two dice. Both, when you click the sprite, both numbers are going to get set to be a die roll. Now, you want a visual representation of another dice. Now, what I would say is, to make your life easier, because you've already gotten stuff programmed, you got that animation programmed on your dice one, if you right click, if you just go click on him and then right click, you can duplicate him. Now when you duplicate him, you'll have another one on the screen. You'll have dice 1 and dice 2. What you want is you want to go in there. First of all, you want to make sure that he goes to a different spot on the screen. So once you duplicate that die, you want to go into the second one on the screen and you just want to make sure he goes to a different spot, because right now he's always reporting to this spot. Which is kind of, actually, you know what, we could just even probably take that block out. But if you leave this block in there on the duplicate, they're both going to stand on top of each other. So get that out of there. Yeah. And you'll position them on the screen. So in your duplicate, you'll have this. In your die roll that you had, the very last thing is you used num1 to set his costume. You just need to switch that and make sure that you're using the other number. And you have basically copied your animation code, right? So it's going to be amazing. You need a new variable. You need to make sure that the alien sets up that variable when he's clicked, and then you're going to duplicate your dice. Make sure that when it's all said and done, at the end of his receive code, that he sets his costume to be what that second number showed him. Let me show you what it should look like when you're done. So when you're done, you've got two variables here, and we can hide those, but for right now we're going to use them for debug purposes. When you click him, I took out his say block because it was annoying me. Look at this, they both roll, but make sure this one says he's showing a 4, that one says that he's showing a 6. 3, 5. So remember, these are the star of the show. The rolling is just smoke and mirrors. When you click him, he sets both of these variables. Then these guys use those variables to decide what costume they're showing once they're done with their rolling animation. 6, 5. So debug yourself, make sure that it works in this way, and then we're going to make this actually be kind of a game, because right now it's just rolling dice. Awesome. So when you get to this point, if you're stuck, grab me if you need some help with it. When you get to this point, you're done with this video, and you're ready to move on to the next one.